Hello everyone, Luke here. I'm an English teacher during the day, and by night I play a lot of football and recently have been listening to a lot of podcasts. As an aspiring podcaster myself, we're going to spend the next couple of minutes learning about, wow, Carol's USB-100C microphone, the perfect companion for your podcasting and audio needs. Before we begin, let's look at recent podcasting trends. There seems to be a podcast for almost anything you can think of. In 2021, there were over 2 million podcast shows, with over 48 million episodes recorded. That's crazy, and it's not just in the US. Podcasting is kicking off in Europe and in Asia. According to Statista, over 58% of Koreans regularly listen to podcasts. So if you're sitting on the fence, there still isn't a better time to join the podcasting game. But you'll need the essentials: a microphone, headphones, a computer, and editing software. But we all know the most important part is the microphone. And why is that? Well, audio quality starts and ends with the microphone. The better microphone you get, the finer your podcast will sound. It really is that simple. Unfortunately, it won't break the bank to get that microphone that you need. Let's check out Carol's USB-100C microphone, perfect for podcasting and all your audio needs, such as gaming or online meetings. So let's see what it comes with. As always, another USB cable, but wait, this one really seems quite long, probably about 10 feet. Perfect to run under desks. Next, a standard thread adapter. Just the thing you need if you want to connect to an existing swivel mount. Of course, your typical user manual. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of manuals, and considering the product is pretty user-friendly, there's probably no need for this. And I guess it comes with a 1-year warranty. Hopefully, I won't be needing this either. Finally, what we've been waiting for, the Carol USB-100C microphone with desk stand. Let's see how it feels. It's got a high quality black metal finish. It feels quite sturdy in my hands. As for the weight, not too heavy, probably less than a pound. Perfect for those audio sessions on the go. Clear light indicators on the front. On the top, we have a volume down, volume up, mute, and a monitoring button. On the back, we've got a Type-C USB connection and a 3.5mm headphone jack. As for setup, here's my favourite way to use the microphone. I'm a Windows user and I run Windows 10, which is great because it supports anything above Windows 7. If you're a Mac user, it supports anything above Mac OS 10.10. As for the microphone itself, it supports 48 kHz over 24-bit, which is plenty for your podcasting needs. As with any audio product, a sound test is a must. Let's hear the difference.
Now here's my voice with the USB-100C. Nice, a dramatic difference in the clarity as well as the pitch level. And in the age of the internet and podcasting, you only have a few seconds to impress your audience, so you don't want to miss out. Here's what I normally sound like without a USB-100C. Not too exciting, and most likely a turn off for your listeners.
So what are the 3 features I love the most about the USB-100C? First, it's got to be sound quality. Its cardioid pickup pattern is perfect for podcasting, and it helps suppress any unwanted background noises. Second, it has to be the zero latency monitoring. This means I can listen to myself live with an attached headset. Lastly, I love the look and feel of the product. It's stylish with a beautiful matte black finish. To wrap it up, I've really enjoyed using this today, and thanks for spending your time with me. If price, features and looks are what you're after, be sure to check out the USB-100C. Thanks for spending your time with me. Bye-bye. Signing off.